Coral Reef Adaptations, Surviving in Changing Environments. Title: Coral Reef Adaptations, Surviving in Changing Environments. Introduction. Coral reefs are complex and diverse ecosystems that support a wide range of marine life. These delicately balanced structures are found in shallow, warm, and clear waters worldwide. Over millions of years, coral reefs have continuously evolved and adapted to various environmental changes, allowing them to thrive in their respective habitats. However, with the increasing impacts of climate change and human activities, coral reefs face unprecedented challenges. In this article, we will explore the fascinating world of coral reef adaptations, their mechanisms, and their ability to survive in sea. Hanging environments. 1. What are coral reefs and why are they important? Coral reefs are marine ecosystems formed by colonies of tiny animal polyps that secrete calcium carbonate exoskeletons, which create the familiar structures we observe. They are often referred to as the rainforests of the sea due to their high biodiversity and ecological importance. 2. Environmental challenges facing coral reefs. Coral reefs are now facing unprecedented threats due to global warming, pollution, destructive fishing practices, and coastal development. Additionally, ocean acidification, caused by increasing carbon dioxide levels, weakens coral skeletons and inhibits their ability to grow. These microscopic photosynthetic organisms live within the coral tissues and provide the corals with essential nutrients through photosynthesis. In return, corals offer protection and a steady supply of carbon dioxide to the algae. This symbiotic relationship is crucial for the coral's survival, growth, and vibrant colors. Through gradual acclimatization, they can withstand higher temperatures, giving them an advantage in warming environments. However, rapid temperature changes often result in coral bleaching, triggering a cascade of negative effects throughout the entire reef ecosystem. Scientists are actively studying the mechanisms behind these responses to develop conservation strategies and mitigation measures. 5. Building resilience, reproduction, and genetic diversity. Coral reefs also rely on their reproductive strategies to adapt to changing conditions. Some corals reproduce through asexual fragmentation, which allows them to quickly colonize new areas and recover from disturbances. Sexual reproduction, on the other hand, involves the release of eggs and sperm into the water column, leading to the formation of coral larvae. These larvae can be carried by ocean currents to new locations, increasing genetic diversity and promoting resilience within coral populations. Different coral species have developed various growth forms, including branching, massive, and encrusting structures. 7. Endangered ecosystems, conservation efforts, and the role of humans. Given the critical state of coral reefs, conservation efforts are paramount to their survival. These efforts include establishing marine protected areas, reducing pollution and sedimentation, and promoting sustainable fishing practices. Restoration techniques, such as coral gardening and artificial reef structures, are also being implemented to aid in the recovery of damaged reefs. Scientists study various aspects of coral reef ecosystems, including their biology, ecology, and responses to environmental changes. These findings inform conservation strategies and enable policymakers to make science-based decisions to mitigate the impacts of climate change and other stressors on coral reefs. 9. Community engagement and education. Engaging local communities and raising awareness about the importance of coral reefs are essential components of conservation efforts. By involving coastal communities, fishers, and tourism operators in sustainable practices, we can reduce human impacts on coral reef ecosystems. Education programs can help individuals understand the value of reefs and inspire action to protect them. By fostering a sense of stewardship, we can ensure the long-term survival of these invaluable ecosystems. 10. International cooperation and policy initiatives. Given that coral reefs are not restricted by national boundaries, international cooperation is essential for effective conservation. By working together, we can share knowledge, resources, and best practices to protect coral reefs for future generations. 11. Looking ahead, hope for coral reef adaptations. While the challenges facing coral reefs are significant, there is hope for their survival. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions and transitioning to renewable energy sources, we can slow down the rate of global warming and reduce the frequency and severity of coral bleaching events. Investing in the restoration of damaged reefs and implementing sustainable management practices can also aid coral reef recovery. Furthermore, advancements in technology, such as coral nurseries and assisted evolution, offer promising solutions to enhance the resilience and adaptive capacity of corals. 12. Final thoughts. Coral reef adaptations are awe-inspiring examples of nature's ability to overcome adversity. Through millions of years of evolution, corals have developed a myriad of strategies to thrive in challenging environments. However, human-induced climate change and other activities have pushed coral reefs to the brink. It is crucial that individuals, communities, governments, and organizations come together to protect and restore these precious ecosystems. 13. Further research and knowledge gaps. While scientists have made significant progress in understanding coral reef adaptations, there are still many knowledge gaps that need to be addressed. For example, researchers are exploring the mechanisms behind thermal tolerance in corals, and how they can be enhanced through assisted evolution. It is also important to study the long-term effects of ocean acidification on coral survival and growth. Furthermore, understanding the genetic diversity and connectivity of coral populations can help inform conservation efforts and prioritize areas for protection. Continued research is vital to fill these gaps and provide comprehensive solutions for coral reef conservation. 14. Economic value of coral reefs. In addition to their ecological value, coral reefs also have significant economic importance. They support industries such as fishing, tourism, and pharmaceuticals, contributing billions of dollars to local and global economies. Protecting and preserving coral reefs not only ensures the survival of marine biodiversity but also sustains livelihoods and promotes economic growth. Recognizing the economic benefits of coral reefs can help garner support for conservation efforts and encourage sustainable practices in industries that rely on reef ecosystems. 15. Individual actions for coral reef conservation. While international cooperation and policy initiatives are crucial for protecting coral reefs, individual actions can also make a difference. Additionally, raising awareness and educating others the importance of coral reefs can inspire others to take action and become stewards of these fragile and vital habitats. 16. Conclusion. Coral reef adaptations are a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of nature. These complex ecosystems have evolved over millions of years to thrive in changing environments. However, they now face unprecedented threats due to climate change and human activities. By understanding the mechanisms behind coral reef adaptations and implementing conservation strategies, we can work towards the preservation and restoration of these invaluable ecosystems. Thanks for watching.